G'day everyone, it's Chriso. I've just put a third coat on the shower tray. I'm just going to, I just put that there to stop any mud falling down. I'm just going to cover it in mud now before it dries. This is how you mix your mud. If you've got bagged mud, I always use the bagged mud because it's a little bit, works out a little bit dearer, but it's always so convenient, less mess, easy to use. Secure it with your feet. Give it a mix. All you do now is dry it out. So you're putting in more to dry it out to get it to the right texture. That'll do for the first lot. It's a little bit wet, but it's good for the first layer. Hand trowel. Now what you're doing is you just pop it down, spread it out. Cover all your waterproof. You can, you don't have to mix it in the bucket like I do. You mix it in a barrow with a shovel. You don't have to have a mixer. Because when you're mixing mud like this, your mixer needs to be fairly grunty. Fairly powerful. So if you haven't got a mixer that can do that, well, just do it by hand in a barrow or on the floor. Right, that covers all my waterproof. So now it'll stick. What I'm going to be doing is running full tiles. I don't split tiles, and I'll show you how I do it. Okay, see you soon. Bye.